Good morning, friends. Today we are learn about a various example that depends upon a distance formula. By using distance formula, we can find whether the points are collinear or not. That are the example in practice set 5.1. Now, first example is given that already explained. Second example is that determine whether the points are collinear. Point A 1 minus 3, point B 2 minus 5, point C minus 4 7. Suppose coordinate of A is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 1 minus 3. Coordinate of B x2 y2 is equal to 2 minus 5. Coordinate of C is equal to x3 y3 minus 4 7. Then A, B and C. If these 3 points are collinear, then there must be relationship between distance between 2 points AB, BC and AC. Three distances having a relationship between them. That means sum of any two distances is equal to last or third distances. Then and then these 3 points are collinear. That's why we have to calculate distance AB, distance BC and distance AC. Let's by using a distance formula we can calculate distance AB. Distance AB is equal to x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square under root putting the values of x2, x1, y2 and y1. Value of x2 is equal to 2 minus 1 bracket square plus y2 that is minus 5 minus 3 bracket complete square. Then 2 minus 1 that become 1 square plus minus 5 minus plus become plus minus minus become plus 3 square. 1 square 1 plus minus 5 plus 3 that become minus 2 bracket square. 1 plus minus 2 square that is a 4 and that becomes a root 5. That means distance between AB is equal to root 5. Second distance BC. Okay. Here we have to consider as B having coordinate x2 y2 and C having coordinate x3 y3. Therefore, formula is modified in such a way that x3 minus x2 bracket square plus y3 minus y2 bracket square. Putting the values of x3, x2, y3 and y2 in equation, x3 that is a minus 4 minus 2 bracket square plus y3 that is a 7 minus y2 that is minus 5 bracket square. Okay, minus 4 minus 2 that becomes minus 6 bracket square plus 7 minus minus becomes plus 12 bracket square. 6 square that is a 36 plus 144 and that becomes 180. Okay, here we get answer that is 180, but answer may be in the form of root 5. Therefore it can be written as 36 into 5 and 36 is a square of 6, therefore it is a 6 root 5 unit. Okay, that is also root 5 unit. Now last distance, that is the distance of AC. Distance AC is equal to, here the coordinate of C that is x3 y3 and A that is x1 y1. Therefore the formula become x3 minus x1 bracket square plus y3 minus y1 bracket square. Putting the values of x3, x1, y3 and y1 in this equation, we get x3 that is a minus 4 minus x1 that is 1 bracket square plus y3 value that is a 7 minus minus 3 bracket square. Minus 4 minus 1, that becomes a minus 5 bracket square, plus 7 minus minus become plus 7 plus 3 bracket square. Okay, 5 square, that is a 25, plus 7 plus 3 10, 10 square, that is a 100. Okay, 125. But the equation in the form of root 5, therefore it can be written as 25 into 5. 25 is the square of 5, therefore 5 root 5 unity. Okay, we getting three values. First, that is the root 5, second, that is the 6 root 5, and last, that is the 5 root 5. Then if we can add distance of AB plus distance of AC is equal to distance of BC. Okay, therefore point A, B and C are collinear. Okay, and in betweenness is that B dash A dash C, because BC is B and C are the end point of this segment, and A is the middle point of that segment. Therefore these 3 points are a collinear point. Let's explain. 3 points are given: point A, point B and point C. Consider A as x1 y1, B as x2 y2, C as x3 y3. By using distance formula, first we have to calculate the distance between A and B. Distance of AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. By putting this value, we get the answer, that is the root 5. First answer. That means distance between AB is equal to root 5. Let's take distance between a BC. Coordinate of B, that is x2 y2, and coordinate of C, that is x3 y3. Therefore the formula modified as under root x3 minus x2 bracket square plus y3 minus y2 bracket square. Putting this value, then we get the answer, that is a 6 root 5 unit. Last distance, that is the distance of AC. Coordinate of A, that is x1 y1, and coordinate of C, that is x3 y3. Therefore the formula modified as x3 minus x1 bracket square plus y3 minus y1 bracket square under root. By putting all these value, then we get the answer 5 root 5 units. By taking these three distances, that is first root 5, second, that is a 6 root 5, and third, that is a 5 root 5. Then we get the relationship is such way that distance of AB plus distance of AC is equal to distance of BC. Therefore these 3 points are collinear, and in betweenness is such way that B dash A dash C. If we don't get any relationship between sum of two small distances is not equal to larger distances, then these 3 points are not collinear. Okay friends, thank you.